Pixel 2 XL. For the second year running, the larger of the two Pixel devices released by Google is the more enticing, but it's not without its faults. While the Pixel 2 sticks to a familiar blueprint, the Pixel 2 XL mimics the Samsung Galaxy S8, iPhone X and LG V30 by slimming down the bezel and extending the display. Google has crafted a fantastic phone with a stunning camera, but there's still work to be done, especially with the slightly dodgy OLED display. It's hard to cover the Google Pixel 2 XL's looks without comparing it to the competition. For a long time, smartphones were rectangular slabs of metal with a big bezel running around the display and a prominent chin and forehead. All this changed when Samsung unleashed the Galaxy S8, which saw the slimming of that bezel right down into screen that stretched edge to edge. The Google Pixel 2 XL doesn't really fit into either category. I'm sure some will claim that it features a bezel-less display, but in reality, it doesn't. Like the LG V30 and Galaxy S8, the Pixel 2 XL has an 18:9 display with rounded corners, but unlike those devices, there's still a prominent bezel around its sides. This makes the Pixel 2 XL feel big, and more comparable to the Galaxy Note 8 in terms of size. At least the bezel serves a purpose in the Pixel 2 XL. Above and below the display sit decent-sounding, front-firing stereo speakers, plus Google has added pressure-sensitive edges that will invoke the assistant with a squeeze of the sides.